Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. And today I'm at a brand spanking new home. This one's a two-story home. Has the attached 53 feet deep RV garage with a 14 by 14 door, and then an 18 feet wide by 8 foot tall two-car garage door. And that two-car bay is about 25.5 feet deep. This one is over 4,800 square feet, 6 bedrooms plus an office, or 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. And it's brand new and available as of February 9th, 2023. We'll go in and take a look. So coming here right in the entryway, they spaced the concrete a little bit and did some of that black rock in between to kind of give it a nicer look. It has the nice exterior sconces, has a couple palm trees here. The front yard has a mixture of stone, hardy board, stucco, and then of course it's kind of at this little dead end. This land over here is owned by a medical company that will put a little medical office there, and then there's a vacant lot across the street. And then right here in the entryway you have the big iron door with the glass. It's got that arched top, and then there's a transom window above. All right, coming right in, you have this grand entry here with that spiral staircase going up to the upper level. Super tall ceilings here with the big chandelier. Some nice detail there. And then you got the big mirror here in the entryway as well. And it's around the mirror, it kind of has that Carrara marble looking tile. And then the floor is a wood plank tile, porcelain tile. And then off here to this side, you have the first bedroom slash office. Has the double doors, the ceiling fans, the can lights. And then there's a closet right here. And then it has those horizontal windows there. And then this window over here does go up and down. And coming back over here out of the office slash bedroom, you have another bedroom right next door. This one has the carpet in it, whereas the office had the tile. Once again, a ceiling fan with the can lights. And then you have a walk-in closet over here. And then next to that bedroom, you have right here just another storage, coat closet, linen closet. Then you walk into the bathroom. It has the hexagon tile floor. It's a porcelain. It has a white quartz countertop and a white cabinet. And then it has the arch entry into the walk-in tiled shower. There's your toilet room, and it does have a door here. And there's tile on the floor, and then tile on the walls, and it goes all the way to the ceiling. It has the rain head, and then 2 shower heads, and then the little niche there. All right, and then coming back off of those couple bedrooms and bathroom into the entryway again. We'll come into the great room here. You have another little storage closet right here that goes underneath the stairs. So you got all that space underneath the stairs for additional storage. Before we head into the great room, I thought I'd show you this entryway from this angle with that nice iron door with the glass. Big chandelier, the millwork with the big mirror there, and then the staircase here. So on either side of that fireplace, I didn't mention, there's the painted cabinets, and then it has the stained grade floating shelves, and then the stained grade mantle. And then like nice lighting fixtures on either side. But then coming over this way into the kitchen, you have that, also that painted cabinet. It's kind of like a taupey color there. It's got the black handles, the huge oversized island with the quartz countertops. And then it has the cabinets here on the front. And then it has a mixture of the stained grade here as well as on the stained grade for the decorative range hood. Then you have your double ovens with the microwave above, your drop-in cooktop, some nice lighting fixtures right here. And then you have your oversized farmhouse sink. And you got your dishwasher, there's your cooktop, and it has the vented range hood here as well. And then you have your nice little dining nook there with a nice lighting fixture. Here's a look from the kitchen into the great room area. And then you have your oversized fridge freezer combo. We'll go into the hidden pantry here. So you push in the cabinet door, takes you into the hidden pantry here. A couple outlets, lots of shelving. And of course you have your double trash can right there. It's built into the cabinet next to the farmhouse sink. And then here on the main floor as well is the master bedroom, and it's kind of tucked away in its own little wing over here. We'll take a look. Coming on into the owner's bedroom, I correct myself, I've been reprimanded. You got the carpet here, and you got the ceiling fan with a couple can lights. And then you have a built-in lower cabinet here with a couple floating shelves. And then over here in the master bedroom, owner's bedroom area, you got a couple lighting fixtures there. You can turn them off with the switches there. There's a better look with those on, even though it's daylight, you can still kind of see them pretty well. And then it has the windows on either side, and those do go up and down. And then you have your door that goes out to the back patio, and those have the built-in blinds as well. So this area here is kind of more of like a sitting area here in the owner's bedroom, and then it goes right on into the bathroom. It has the tile floors. It's a 12 by 24. You got this freestanding tub, and then the tile goes all the way around both entryways. It's kind of a wraparound shower. We'll show you. The white cabinets with the quartz countertops and the black fixtures. And then the same over on this side. And then you walk right into your shower. It's got the little hexagon tiles on the floor. And then it has this big niche here. 2 shower heads up above, plus the normal shower heads. And a couple benches in here. Has the Schluter around the tile edges to kind of clean that up and make it look a little nicer. And then you have 2 closets as well. One closet here, and then one closet here. And then this is a linen cabinet or closet here. And then of course you got the toilet room there. The staircase going up does have the carpet here, and then it has the wood on either side. Has the automatic lights that come on at night to kind of light that up. We'll go take a look upstairs. All right, and now we're up here on the upper level. You have kind of this landing pad area that looks down into the entryway. And then over on this side, it looks down into the great room. You can see this giant fireplace coming all the way up, the big fan, down into the kitchen. Over here, you have a little area where you can add a desk for the kids if you desire, or whomever. And then on this side, you have this is kind of set up more for like a playroom, theater room type area. It's got some can lights. It's wired for the surround sound in here. A little wet bar over there with a microwave. You can pop your popcorn. A little sink area. And then this is kind of nice. It has a door out to a little covered deck area. We'll go take a look. So coming out here to the covered deck, it has the tile here. There's a drain there. It has the wrought iron fencing, or railing rather. And then you've got a nice view of that mountain range there. Is called Pine Valley Mountain here in our area. And then right here, this reminds me, it is plumbed for a central vacuum system throughout the house. So you'll see some of those ports throughout here. And then we'll go take a look at the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So you got another full bathroom here. It has the double vanity, the quartz countertops, the white cabinets. And then on the floor you have a 12 by 20. Well, no, that's not a 12 by 24. That's a different size. No, it is a 12 by 24 tile. And then you have the black tile here with the white niche right there. And there's a linen cabinet or closet in here as well. Here's another look at this bathroom. And then off of this bathroom right here, you have 2 bedrooms. You have one here on the front of the home, and the front of this home faces north. So you got the can lights and the ceiling fans, a window there. And then you kind of have a pretty good view right there of the Pine Valley mountain range. And then across the hall from this bedroom, you have another bedroom. 6 bedroom plus an office, or 7 bedrooms. There's a lot of bedrooms in this bad boy. And then it has the ceiling fan and the can lights, has the window there, and then the walk-in closet over there. All right, and then you can guess down here at the end of this hallway, we have 2 more bedrooms plus a bathroom and a laundry, second laundry facility. Here's the laundry facility here. A couple cabinets above. It has the recessed dryer vent, and then the electric connection here. The power company that services this particular area is the second most affordable in the whole United States from what we understand. And then here is the other bathroom. It has kind of that taupey-ish cabinet there on the base with the white countertop, which is quartz. And then the tile shower with the tub. And then next to that bathroom, you have a bedroom here. Once again with the ceiling fans and the can lights and the window. And then you have your walk-in closet here. And the doors in the house are 8 feet tall on the main level and upper level. I don't know if you noticed that or not. Just a FY to the eye. And this other bedroom here, you got a couple more can lights in the ceiling with the ceiling fan. And then once again, a little walk-in closet. And now we'll head back downstairs to see the main laundry room. And then there's a powder bath off of the garage as well. And then we'll go into the garage. All right, coming off of the great room kitchen area, you have just a small mud bench here. And then here's your laundry room, one of the laundry rooms, plus you got the one upstairs. Lots of cabinets here. It's the stained grade cabinetry, the quartz countertops, the recessed dryer vent. And on this one, it's gas or electric. And there's a drain in the floor. And then across the hall here is the half bath. Stained grade cabinet with the quartz countertop. All right, and then coming out here into the garage, you've got the 18 feet wide by 8 foot tall 2-car bay with the LiftMaster garage door opener and the MyQ. Has the little side light windows there in the side. Here's your electrical panel. Actually have a little view right there through the little side light panels there. And then into the big RV garage. This is a 14 by 14 door. Got the overhead LiftMaster opener. It's approximately 53 feet deep. The concrete inside the garage here is a saw cut concrete. Plenty of outlets on the side. You have your 220 over here on this wall. And then you have your water there. Your double water heaters. And then that other system there is the soft water, the water softener. We have kind of hard water here. And then you have your recirculation pump there to get you a little bit faster hot water throughout the home of this size. That's the plumbing for the, right there with my fingers, that's the plumbing for the central vacuum system and then the plug below. So you can put your system there. The cool thing about this one too is at the very back it has this little storage room, but then it has this doorway here that goes out to the backyard. And right off of the door is this half bath. With the quartz countertops, the tile floors, the toilet, and then they're missing the mirror here. This gives you a little better view of the 53 feet depth right here. Really nice RV garage. And then if we step on into the backyard here, this lot's over 1/3 of an acre. Got the LDS temple right there. So the 1/3 of an acre does allow for a little bit bigger yard if you wanted to add a pool, hot tub, a little basketball court of some sort. It's not huge back here, but it's pretty good size, and you have the oversized covered patio there. And then there is a little bit additional room here on the side for parking on the side of the garage. Here's a better look of this. Has all of the rain gutters already installed, and all in all, this one's over 4,800 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, plus the 53 feet deep RV garage, brand spanking new, just finished in 2023. Asking price on this one as of February 9th, 2023 is $1,549,900. Once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. Find us online or give us a call, 435-313-1525. Or you can look up all the RV garage homes anytime you want in our area at rvgaragehomes4sale.com. Thanks for watching.